I'm gonna do a quick video on this. Basically, this is a Watson rechargeable GoPro 9 and I believe 10. GoPro, well, it says just 9 here, but it should work on 10. 9 and 10 batteries are interchangeable to my understanding. I have the GoPro 9. Watson is a brand that I've used in the past for rechargeable batteries, AA, AAAs. I've never had any issues. I bought an additional battery just to have for the GoPro, because after charging them many times, they start to lose their rechargeability. So I'm just having it on the side just to use when I need it. Anyway, Watson, it was $15. A GoPro battery is $20, so I thought I'd save the $5. I have 2 additional batteries that are I think they cost me $10. No name brand from Amazon. But Watson I trust even more, so I'm going to try this one out. And all I'm going to do is try it out, let you know if I have any issues, if it catches fire or it doesn't work very well, the battery dies very quickly. But I think it's going to work just as well as the GoPro batteries that I have. So I'm just going to try it out, and then at the end just give you my opinion. Now, I am no expert. I'm not a GoPro expert, battery expert, nothing expert. Just a regular guy who buys things, tries them out, and that's it. And then just does YouTube videos. So I'm going to try this out and just let you know if it works just like the other batteries. That's it. I'm doing no other videos. So right after this, you're going to hear my opinion about the actual battery itself to see if it works or not. And it's just my opinion. Again, I'm no expert. You do what you do, everything at your own risk. It's just a standard battery. So I'm gonna try it out, charge it up, and use it. And then I'm coming right now, and I'll let you know. It's probably gonna be a week or 2 later when I get a chance to get back to this, and I'll let you know how the battery worked, if it's yay or nay. So I finished doing some filming, and let me just show you. I actually just removed the Watson battery, and just wanted to let you know that the battery worked very well. I didn't have any issues whatsoever. It fit into the camera very well. It lasted just as long as the other ones did. It is about, I was driving around and it was, I think 27 degrees outside, but it did last, I think it filmed for about an hour. So it did very well under those conditions. It's very cold outside. Battery is doing too well in very cold, very hot conditions. So the Watson battery, I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the purchase, and I'm hoping to get many years, or many charges out of this. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it's very helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.